Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I got at Walgreens. I had a very relatable morning. I think a lot of stuff went wrong, and I know that you guys can probably relate to some of that. But what that resulted in is me learning more about the no receipt option on curbside pickup. So I'm going to tell you what happened to me and how we were able to fix it going forward. So I will tell you about the deal step by step. I'll tell you how I used my spend 20 get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, as well as how to ensure you get a receipt with curbside pickup. Also, I'll be sharing with you some clearance finds. I found a bunch of food at like 90% off or almost 90% off. So I'm going to share with you what I bought, as well as pictures at the end of the video of other things that I saw but did not purchase. Let's start with the clearance first. I found this confectioner sugar priced at just 15 cents, so great deal. I also noticed quite a few like soups and that kind of thing at like 30 to 40 cents. I saw tuna this morning right around 30 cents. So lots of great deals. So check out not only your food aisle, but also the frozen section. I picked up the bird's eye broccoli priced at just 28 cents. I also got the Ore-Ida, the crinkle cut fries. These were 43 cents for this whole bag. I saw a bunch of White Castle, those little sliders or hamburgers. Those were 90% off. That's not something that I thought we'd eat, so I did not buy those. The Steam Fresh corn, this was on clearance for just 35 cents. And I think that was all the food. Oh no, the Dole. So this was just 38 cents. So great clearance deals on food. Definitely check in your store. Now, one deal that I did last week that is still a deal that you can do if you still have the coupons. Let me tell you about that one. It's on the 7th generation cleaning wipes. This is a great back to school item too. If you don't need them, you could pass it over to your kid's teacher or a teacher you know. These are $3.19 each. They're buy two, get $2 in Walgreens cash. I had a $1.50 coupon and a $1 coupon, so I paid $3.88. I got $2 back in Walgreens cash, making them $1.88 or just 94 cents each. So far, all of those deals went easy peasy. Now, the Acuvue, this is $10.99. There are two different coupons. There is a $4 digital coupon as well as a $5 store digital coupon. You can use both of those. So that's $9 in coupons, leaving you to pay $1.99 total for a product that's normally $10.99. Great price if you need it or someone in your home needs it. The Blink Eye Relief, this is $7.49. Again, there is a manufacturer digital as well as a store digital. The store digital is $4. The manufacturer one is $3, so that takes $7 off, leaving you to pay just 49 cents. Both of those are great if you have a booster coupon because they have high value digital coupons. Just make sure if you have a store booster where you have to spend $20, if you have a store digital coupon that takes $4 off a product, that doesn't count towards that $20 you have to spend. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. Now, the Aspen Cream, great deal on these products. I bought the roll-on at $11.49. Now, I ordered the smaller Aspen Cream that was $7.99, so half price would be $3.99. They're buy one, get one half price, so $11.49. Then $3.99 for the cream. I had a $5 digital and a $3 digital coupon. So I paid $7.48, but then I got back $8 on Ibotta, making them both free and a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, the one you see here is larger because they ended up doing a substitution for me because they didn't have the smaller one, so they substituted with the larger one, and that did not change my overall cost. Now, Rimmel. There are store and manufacturer digitals for these as well. I picked up the mascara priced at $3.29. I picked up the concealer priced at $3.47. There's a $4 off to store digital. That's going to take $4 off every 2 items you purchase. Then I had a $2 manufacturer digital and a $1 manufacturer digital. For some reason, the $4 off 2 auto-adjusted down to $3.29, but that left me to pay just 51 cents for both of these items. So not a bad deal at all. Now let's talk about a couple of the things that I had issues with. The Fetch rewards. So I picked up these Papermate pencils. They are 12 count each. They're 2 for $4. There is a Fetch rewards offer for $3 back when you buy any Papermate product that's 12 count or larger. So that would make this $1 for both of these packs, or just 50 cents each, and they're already sharpened, which I love in a pencil. But for some reason, the $3 did not come back on Fetch. It happened to me when I did it at Target as well. So I had to email them, hey, I purchased 2 items that were over 12 count. I should have gotten 3,000 points back. And then they credited my account. But if you don't want to mess with that, if you hate that extra step of a deal not going right and having to email, bypass that deal, because it happened to me at Target. It happened to me again this morning at Walgreens. But if you do it, it does count. It is the right product. So you would get that $3 back, making them just 50 cents a pack. Pre-sharpened pencils, again, another great gift for a teacher. And this one had a little eraser in there too. Now, I did a Shopkick deal. I did this last week, did it again this week because it's a moneymaker. I picked up this Cottonelle little pack of wipes at $1.29. Getting back $1.66 on Shopkick, making it free and a 37-cent moneymaker. Now, I'm going to tell you about the Huggies deal without a booster coupon. This is what I used my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital on. So then I'm going to tell you how it worked that way as well. Here's the deal on the Huggies. They are 2 for $21. I had a $4 digital coupon. So I paid $17, okay? Then there are multiple apps that have rebates on these. The Ibotta app had $2 back on each, so I got $4 back there. My Fetch Rewards app had $1 back on each of them, so I got $2 back there. And then Shopkick had a deal for $2 back, and it said a limit of 2. So I submitted my receipt, and I'm expecting $4 back there as well. That receipt just hasn't processed yet. So once all of those receipts process, I paid $7 for both, or just $3.50 each. However, like I said, I did this and used my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster. So instead of it being $7, I got an additional $5 in Walgreens cash back, making it $2 for both packs, or just $1 per pack of diapers. So awesome deal when you combine it with that booster coupon. If y'all have questions on that, let me know. One thing I didn't know with Shopkick, they have started having these limit 2, limit 3 type deals, and I had never submitted a receipt where I purchased more than one item on the receipt. When I submitted the receipt, it only went through as 1. There was no way to show that I purchased 2, or indicate like on Ibotta where you can indicate that you purchased multiple. So I'm curious to see how that comes back, and if I'll end up having to email them and say, hey, I actually bought 2 of these on the same receipt. So I can let you know how that worked out as well. Now, let's talk about the you don't get a receipt on curbside orders. Last week, I was testing it out. I got a receipt just fine. Now this week, I went to pick up my order, same store, they're amazing there. No receipt printed. I'm like, oh my gosh, what just happened? She's like, oh, we can now scan it on our little handheld device that looks like a phone. It's a handheld device that looks just like a phone. If they scan it that way and process it through, you will not get a receipt. So what I asked is there a way to get a receipt? She was like, I'm not sure. I just know this is our new way. And I'm like, can you scan it with the like product scanner like you normally would? Would that generate a receipt? She's like, I'm not quite sure. Probably. I'm like, let's try it. So I placed another order for curbside pickup. While I was standing there, there was no one in the store, thankfully. So I didn't feel too bad doing this. And she's so nice. If you watch this, thank you for being amazing. So I placed an order. We processed the order. She took the product scanner, like they have at the registers where they scan your products as you're checking out. She scanned the little barcode on the curbside bag and a receipt printed. So if you want to make sure a receipt prints for you, there's two things you have to do. One, make sure you don't have digital receipts turned on. So if you're not getting receipts while you're in-store shopping, your digital receipts are turned on and you need to go turn them off. The second thing you need to do when you place a curbside order, walk into the store. Say, I'm here to pick up a curbside order. I need to make sure I get a receipt. If you scan the barcode with the product scanner versus your little handheld curbside thing, a receipt will print. Okay, so that's the secret to getting that to work. Now, if your store's willing to do that or not, I'm not sure. I don't know why they wouldn't be, but that's kind of the workaround that I learned this morning. So not my favorite week at Walgreens, just because it was kind of a pain in the butt. Like things didn't work and I had to send emails and I had to return things, and it wasn't my favorite morning at Walgreens, but the deals are pretty good. The 90% off clearance on food is amazing. So definitely get to the store sooner rather than later to check on that. Of course, I'll include pictures of clearance items at the end of the video. Hope y'all have a great week. If it's back to school week for your kiddos, happy back to school week. If you are a working parent like I am and your kiddos are going back to school and you can finally use your full brain while you're at work, happy back to school week to you too. Thanks.